Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Sorry if I sound a little sick. I am a little sick. Hopefully it will get better though. So I did some updates to this project when I run this. You can see in the console. And now if we wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 seconds in total, but I didn't start counting until after. Then it will shut down the program because it's waiting for a ping from this plugin, but I haven't actually created the code to ping it back. And once I finish this, I'll make a video explaining the entire new system. However, for now, I can't do that just because I haven't finished it, and it would be really hard for me to explain. So, right now, I just need to work on this, getting this to write a file, multiple lines. I've never actually done this before, so let's see what happens. But, oh man, it's like my third time getting sick. I think because I went to a party, Saturday, and it was a ton of fun. There was a lot of drinking, though, and one of the girls passed out, and then we ran from the cops. But anyways, not many people were wearing masks, and I was one of the few who were. But I think I might have gotten a cold from either that or just, I don't know, from the winter. But anyways, I am currently just making a system for writing multiple lines to a text file instead of the file loader. I'm also uninstalling all of my games, just because, less distractions the better. So if we see up here and just do this, bw.write, or bw, we create the buffered writer, and then we're gonna have a for loop. Then after we're done, we're gonna say bw.flush, bw.close. Alright. So then we're just going to say here, so I created a parameter that takes in as many strings as possible for each data, for each line inside of that text file. So let's get into it. bw.write, and I'm referring to this on the side as well. Let's just close that off. bw.write data, and then we're just going to say bw.new line, and hopefully that works. We will see. I'm just combining the stuff from this program, from this method, write file, with the stuff that I saw online. So I'm just going to head over to this program structure, and inside of the info, I'm going to say, for the data, I'm going to say reference dot name, reference dot version, no, it would be the ID second, and reference dot version. Okay, so let's do toString for each of these values and run it. Now what should appear is a libraries folder directory, and inside of that a info.txt file, an info text file, which should have the name, the ID, and the version. And inside of the reference file, we can see that these are the names, these are the attributes. Sample plugin as the ID without a space, and version 1.0. So let's see on the hierarchy, you can see it says libraries, info.txt file, and as we can see, does not contain what we wanted. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the program structure. I believe I have to say dot info, yes. And that will invoke the actual contents of each attribute instead of the actual name. Run that. Did not seem like that did anything. Ah, right. So let's paste this in here because that also does it just in case. Let's go back into here, and it loaded everything up correctly, which means we're all good. And I can continue making this. So I just wanted to do a quick update video. Not really an update video, just a quick check-in, I guess you could say. But I would make a normal video, but I'm currently in the middle of something and I can't explain something well if I haven't finished it, or if I didn't start explaining it when I started to create the project or the goal in mind. So I'm not going to explain anymore, but I do have a bit of a sore throat, so I do want to stop recording. So see you guys next time.